The most dangerous move Apple can make in 2026 is not launching a new iPhone. It is turning the Apple TV into something nobody expects. For years, the Apple TV has felt predictable. It streams your shows. It plays your movies. It mirrors your phone. It works fine. But it never felt revolutionary. While Apple's other products evolved at crazy speed, this small box under the television barely changed. And in a market full of smart TVs and cheap streaming devices, fine is not enough. So why are tech insiders suddenly paying attention? Because the 2026 Apple TV is rumored to be built around the A18 Pro chip. That single detail changes the entire conversation. This is not a basic processor made for simple streaming tasks. It is a high-performance chip designed for advanced graphics and serious computing power. It supports hardware-level ray tracing, complex rendering, and fast multitasking. Inside a phone, the A18 Pro is limited by space and battery life. It has to manage heat carefully. It cannot run at peak performance forever. But inside a device that is plugged directly into the wall, with more room for cooling and airflow, those limits shrink. The same chip could maintain stronger performance for longer sessions. That transforms the Apple TV from a passive media box into a potential entertainment powerhouse. And this is where the gaming angle becomes impossible to ignore. Apple has tried to push gaming before. Apple Arcade exists. Controllers are supported. But the experience always felt secondary compared to dedicated consoles. Developers did not see enough raw power to bring their biggest titles over. Gamers did not see a reason to switch. If the 2026 model truly unlocks the full strength of the A18 Pro, that barrier starts to fade. Realistic lighting. Smoother frame rates. Richer environments. Not just mobile games stretched across a large screen, but proper console-style experiences running natively on the device. Imagine loading a visually impressive game directly from your Apple TV without cloud streaming delays. No heavy compression. No waiting for remote servers. Just instant performance powered by the hardware sitting under your screen. Pair a PlayStation or Xbox controller. Connect your AirPods. Sync progress with your Mac or iPad. That level of ecosystem integration is something few competitors can match. But Apple's plan does not stop at performance. Connectivity may be just as important. The 2026 Apple TV is rumored to include Wi-Fi 7 support. Most people think new Wi-Fi standards only mean faster speeds, but speed is not the main issue in modern homes. Congestion is. Homes are packed with devices competing for bandwidth. Phones streaming. Laptops downloading. Smart cameras uploading. Smart lights syncing. Even with fast internet, interference causes lag. Wi-Fi 7 improves how devices handle crowded networks. It reduces latency and increases stability. That means smoother 4K or even 8K streaming. Faster response times in games. Quicker app launches. It is not just about numbers on a spec sheet. It is about how the device feels in daily use. When you combine sustained chip performance with stronger connectivity, you create something different. Not just a better streaming device, but a central digital hub. One box that handles movies, gaming, music, and smart home controls without hesitation. Now here is the real question. Will Apple fully commit? Because hardware alone does not make a product successful. Apple must secure strong developer partnerships. It must market the Apple TV as more than an accessory. It must show people why this device deserves space in a world where TVs already stream content by themselves. My honest opinion is this. The 2026 Apple TV has the potential to be a turning point. The technology sounds ready. The ecosystem is mature. The timing feels deliberate. If Apple positions this device as a compact entertainment system rather than just a streaming box, it could capture a powerful middle ground between casual viewers and serious gamers. If Apple plays it safe, it will fade into the background again. But if Apple goes bold, this small black box could become the most surprising comeback in its lineup. Sometimes the biggest shifts in tech do not come from brand new categories. They come from reimagining products we thought we already understood. And in 2026, the Apple TV might finally demand attention instead of quietly waiting for it.